Hello there, welcome back. My goal is to help you become a more financially independent educator using tips and tricks to make your valuable skills work for you. Today, we need to talk about passive income. Teaching is anything but passive, and it usually comes with a low income depending on where you work. But what if you can teach someone and continue to reap the financial rewards long after you put in the work? This is attainable by creating an online course. Join me today as I walk you through the key components of an online course. And be sure to stick around for the entire video so I can give you access to done-for-you resources. An online course is information taught online, covering a set or range of topics. It is designed to leave students with more information than what they've started with. Okay. So what do you have to teach? I'll bet there are tons of things you do every day that hundreds, even thousands of people wish they could do. Maybe you're a pro at elementary school age crowd control. Someone leading a summer camp or scout group might be keenly interested in learning your tricks. Or maybe you're an English teacher with a passion for Shakespeare. Your course might even take an in-depth look at some or all of his works, covering essential topics that are taught in most school curriculums. The possibilities are endless, and as a teacher, you'll carry a lot of credibility when your course goes live. Once you have your topic, here's a list of resources you should begin to prepare. Number 1, lessons. Lessons are essentially the chapters through which your students will navigate your course. You're already a pro at lesson planning, so break down this topic. Are there foundational topics that should go first, followed by more in-depth or complex issues? One great approach is to start at the end, the primary or final lesson you wish to impart, and work backwards. Number 2, course workbook. Not everyone will go through the workbooks provided in a given class, but they're essentially important components of your course. This doesn't have to simply be a list of words or essay prompts at the end of a lesson. It can also include checklists, spreadsheets, and other valuable tools. Make sure you have some evergreen content, things that can be used repeatedly. For example, maybe you're putting together a course on how to write a great college admissions essay, a brainstorming guide, or structure for organizing thoughts into a cohesive paragraph. That's something that a student can learn many times. Number 3, a live stream script. While a live stream component for social media isn't strictly required for an online course, it can set you apart from the competition and provide an additional level of personalization for each student. And it can always be recorded and uploaded to the appropriate lesson afterwards, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Although there may be live chat or comment boxes that require some flexibility, it is crucial to have a script to refer to. You'll need to keep the live stream on topic and not miss any critical points. So a script is vital to ensure your course is professional and educational. Number 4, live stream launch copy. Along with your live event, you'll want to have some website content prepared. Before your live stream, you should create a registration page. Even if attendance is limited, having somewhere that students sign up for the event makes it more official, and they are more likely to sign up if they think there are limited spots. During your live stream, you'll want to make several calls to action. This could be buying your course or signing up for an ebook, membership, or more. You'll want to ensure that any description capabilities on the platform you're using make it easy to see how to enroll. Similarly, make sure your website's homepage or wherever your enrollment link directs is updated with the correct information to match what you are saying in your live stream. Number 5, sales page copy. Remember, at the end of the day, you're selling a product, your course, and the valuable information you want to pass along. Your sales page copy is the text that appears anywhere you're trying to sell. Your main product page short blurbs that you mentioned during your live streams, social media cheat sheets with frequently used hashtags or emojis. It's all sales copy. Get it written out in several formats, and it will always be available to pull from, making it efficient for your time. Number 6, social media posts. It seems nothing gets done without social media these days. Choose 1 to 2 platforms to get started. It's always best to use platforms that you are already enjoying so that you can reduce the learning curve and increase the likelihood that you'll post regularly. Draft your social media posts in advance to warm up your audiences to product launches, live streamed events, Q&As, or Ask Me Anythings, which are also called AMA sessions, and more. Number 7, blog posts. Contrary to popular beliefs, blogs are not dead. They're just as popular as ever, and strategic blog posts can help your course pop up in search engine optimization. You can also promote your blogs with Pinterest pins or Instagram posts, or reference them when commenting on other social media posts that are parallel to your niche. Number 8, email scripts. When you have students enrolled in your class, you'll have their email addresses. It is important to understand that the transaction isn't over after they buy the course. You'll want to have several week of welcome emails that you can schedule automatically with certain services. You'll also want to be able to communicate when you have new add-ons that old customers might be interested in, keeping your customer pool fresh. Number 9, a place to upload and host your course. You have many options when it comes to a website to upload your course. I have a great solution. The platform Buy Me a Coffee is my personal fave. There's also Podia, and you can find discount links in the description below to access those websites. You can also use websites like Teachable or Thinkific. Number 10, an ironclad strategy. If this all sounds like a lot of work, that's because it is. There's a lot of front-loaded work in getting a course off the ground. By the end goal, it is to have a system that continues to bring in money with little or no continuing effort. So, a strategy to keep yourself on task is to create a timeline, and that will help you be essentially successful. And for those who are truly short on time or skills required for some or all of these steps, there is a solution: outsourcing. Any of the items on my checklist can be fulfilled with the use of freelance contractors. Several platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and more offer a connection point for talented workers and interested buyers. So if your budget allows, you can just provide the ideas and some guiding input, and for a fee, the work will be handed to you ready to go. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. What's your favorite online course that you've ever taken? Let me know in the comments below. Please remember to tap the like button and consider subscribing to my channel to learn more ways that you can maximize your skill set and income as a teacher. Until next time.